This is a 2009 Mercedes-Benz GL 550. Its top features and packages include the entertainment package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a DVD entertainment center, alloy wheels, and the cooled seats create a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, keeping everyone comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: a moonroof, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, fog lamps, tinted glass, a traction control system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 54,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Joe Rizza Ford Orland Park is located at 8100 West 159th Street in Orland Park. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.